Today we will be studying chapter 6, Wolf Wolf. Value taught, being truthful. Warming up. Being truthful means telling actually what happened. Being truthful means telling actually what happened. If we do not tell the truth, it means we are lying. If we do not tell the truth, it means we are lying. Do you tell lies? Do you think lying can put you in trouble? Read the story of a boy who told lies to find out what happened to him. Once there lived a boy in a village. Once there lived a boy in a village. He used to take his sheep for grazing. He thought he could fool others by telling lies. He thought he could fool others by telling lies. One day he was sitting while the sheep were grazing. One day he was sitting while the sheep were grazing. He decided to fool others for fun. He decided to fool others for fun. He suddenly started shouting. What he did? He suddenly started shouting, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Everyone around heard his cries and came to help him. So after hearing his cry, everyone came to help him. They asked him, "Where is the wolf?" What they asked? "Where is the wolf? Has the wolf taken your sheep? Has the wolf taken your sheep?" "No," said the boy and started laughing. The boy was so naughty that he started laughing. "There is no wolf. I fooled you." What he said? "There is no wolf. I fooled you." They got angry and said, the villagers, they got angry and said, "You are a liar. You are a liar." And went away. The boy gathered his sheep and went home. The boy, what he did? He gathered his sheep and went home. A neighbor had already told his mother about what he did. A neighbor had already told his mother about what he did. The mother was angry. The mother, she became angry. She asked his son, "Did you tell a lie today?" What she asked? "Did you tell a lie today?" "No," said the boy. "The villagers are trying to trap me. The villagers are trying to trap me," he said. The mother said, "I know you are lying. I know you are lying. Someday you will be in trouble. And one day you will be in trouble," mother said. The boy did not listen to the mother. The boy did not listen to the mother. Days went by. He again thought to play the same prank. So after a couple of days, he thought to play the same prank. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf, help, help." Again he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, help, help." Some villagers did not pay attention, while some took pity on him. So some villagers did not pay attention, while some took pity on him. They reached there and found him laughing. The boy, what he did? He started laughing. They were angry and went away. They were angry and went away. They told the boy, "One day you will be in trouble and no one will come to help you. The villagers, what they said? That one day you will be in trouble and no one will come to help you. The boy laughed. Few months passed. One day, the boy was sitting on a branch of a tree while his sheep were grazing in the field. One day, the boy was sitting on a branch of a tree while his sheep were grazing in the field. Suddenly, a wolf came from the nearby forest. Suddenly, a wolf came from the forest nearby. The boy got scared. The boy got scared. He did not know what to do. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf, please help save my sheep." He shouted, "Wolf, wolf, please help save my sheep." Everyone listened to his voice. No one believed him. Everyone listened to his voice, but no one believed him. They thought he was again trying to fool them. They thought he was again trying to fool them. The wolf took away 2 of his sheep. Now he realized his mistake. At last, he realized his mistake, but it was too late. Too late. But it was too late. Moral: lying puts person in difficulty. Moral: what's the moral of the lesson, children? Lying puts person in difficulty. Let us remember, lying is a very bad habit. No one believes a liar. No one likes a liar. Even if you would not believe a person who lies, even if you would not believe a person who lies, hence we should always speak the truth.